Hey everyone, welcome to GEEKERMAG. In today's video, you will learn step-by-step instructions and easy way on how to get Skibidi Toilet in Infinite Craft. But before we move forward, if you find this video useful in any way, please consider subscribing to channel as this encourages us in creating more similar videos. Alright, put water on the empty space and add fire to get steam, then steam to get cloud, then water to get rain, then add water to get rainbow. Put earth on the empty space and add water to get plant, then wind to get dandelion, then water to get wine, then water to get holy water, and now add wine to get Catholic Church. Combine rainbow to Catholic Church to get gay. Now put water on the empty space and then add water to get lake. Put fire on the empty space and then add fire to get volcano. Combine lake and volcano, this will get you island. Now add island to get continent, then lake to get US America. Put fire on the empty space and add fire to get volcano, then add island to get Hawaii. Combine US America and Hawaii, this will get you Obama, then add US America to get change. Combine change and gay, this will get you straight. Now add gay to get bi, then add bi to get B. Put lake on the empty space and add lake to get ocean, then add ocean to get sea. Put US America on the empty space and add continent twice to get Canada. Combine C and Canada to get C. Add change to get D. Add by to get bid. Combine B and bid to get BDB. Put earth on the empty space, then add earth to get mountain. Then add wind to get avalanche. Then add avalanche again to get snow. Put fire on the empty space, then add steam to get engine, then add cloud to get jet, then add water to get plane. Combine snow and plane to get ski, combine ski and BDB to get skibidi. Put plant on the empty space, then add water to get swamp, then add plant to get Venus flytrap. Put dandelion on the empty space, then add plant to get weed. Put earth on the empty space, then add wind to get dust. Combine dust and weed to get clean. Combine clean and Venus flytrap to get toilet. Put earth on the empty space, then add plant to get tree. Then add water to get river. Then add earth to get delta. Put tree on the empty space. Then add river to get paper. Then add paper to get book. Combine book and delta to get alphabet. Then add alphabet to get word. Then add mountain to get mouth. And then add word to get talk. Put earth on the empty space. Then add fire to get lava. Then add water to get stone. Then add lava to get obsidian. Then add stone to get blade. Then add stone to get axe. Then add stone to get head. Combine head and talk to get chatterbox. Then head to get talking head. Combine talking head and toilet to get talking toilet. Combine talking toilet and skibidi to get skibidi toilet. So this is how you can make Skibidi Toilet in Infinite Craft. So that's all about this video. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel for getting notifications about more similar videos. Thanks for watching.